Hi, this is Johnny from Johnny's Auto Repairs. What we have here is the 2005 Kia Optima, and the problem I'm having is after I get gas and I try to start it, it won't start, and the only way I can get it started is to push the pedal down and rev it high around 2,000, 3,000 RPM, and then it wants to die. But after a little while it's fine, so I'm trying to diagnose that. I had a check engine light. I don't have it on now, but I used to have a check engine light. So here's the codes over here, if you can see it on the camera. Bank 2, lean, and then bank 1, lean. Okay, let's look at some live data here. I've got it running at idle right now. It's warmed up. Okay, bank 1 short term is like 18, so it's running lean. Bank 2 is also 18. It's pretty close there. So I have to kind of figure out what I'm going to do on this. Based on what I've seen online, it seems like one possibility would be a purge valve that's stuck open. So I'm going to kind of look at that next. Okay, the purge valve is located behind the intake, right over here. It comes out good on camera or not. But the idea is that should be normally closed, and the computer will turn it on when it's at a high RPM and it wants to take some vapors from the charcoal canister. So, but if it's stuck open all the time, then you'd have a vacuum leak. So what I'm going to do is take that off and see if I can blow some air through it. If I can, then it's stuck open, and I'm going to replace it then. Okay, to unplug this, there's a little metal bracket that goes, little metal, like a paper clip, goes around here, up here, down there. You take that off, and then this will come out. Try to avoid having it shoot out and getting it lost like I did, so I'll keep going. Okay, a progress report. I got it one of the sides disconnected, and it's essentially the same thing as this. You squeeze these together and then you can just pull it off. So I'll get that off next. Okay, I'm going to try to blow some air through this and see if it stuck open or if it's got a leak in it or something. Yeah, air's going right through it, so this purge valve is bad. I'll replace it with the new one. One thing, this little bracket holder, this rubber thing, you have to take it off the other one and exchange it on that one. That kind of goes into a bracket under there and holds it in place. Okay, I've got everything hooked back up. Got the plug in there, vacuum hose up here, another one down here. So we'll have to see if that works okay. Okay, I'm back in the car. Looks like the short-term fuel trim's around 3 and around 0 or 3, I guess. So it looks like this solved the problem. The long terms are still a little bit high, but they'll come down as the car runs. What I'm going to try to do is get some gas and then see if it's difficult starting. So that'll be the real test. Okay, here at the gas station. Put $20 in there. 3.02 per gallon. Not too bad. So in the past, when I try to crank it, it wouldn't start. I have to put the pedal almost down to the floor. So we'll see how it does this time. And it started right up. So the problem was the stuck open purge valve, and I mean, I could see how that'd be a vacuum leak causing a lean condition, but I'm not sure how that'd cause it not to start. If anyone has any ideas on that, put it in the comments. But thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.